look upon the clouds as the moon sits way up high, and I try to count the stars that line across the midnight sky. Beautiful.
Hi, this is Todd. I was in San Diego, and today we're at Harland Brewing Company in Bay Park. Harland was founded in 2018 by one of the original co-founders of St. Archer Brewery that was later acquired in 2017 by Miller Coors. This is one of the best new breweries in San Diego and now has 3 locations. I'm loving the Harland Japanese lager here. It's really delicious. Come check it out with me.
That there's more that's waiting for me, and more I have to give. Oh, I tried for way too long to work for something good, when it was free waiting for me, but I couldn't take it till I knew that I could. Oh. Everyone has something that they're running from. One comes to a close just as another one's begun.